Hello everyone, my name is Jessica, and in this instructional video we will be comparing and discussing the difference between using the My CSU class search versus the iSchool class search. First off, I would like to give you some background information. When is it best to use the My CSU class search? When you're registering for classes to see if the course status, whether or not it's open, waitlisted, or closed. Also, you must pay attention to the section selection, whether it's a regular section course or a special section course. For those of you who don't know the difference, regular session courses are for students who live within the San Jose zip code area, and special session is for those students who are outside the San Jose zip code area. Also, within the My CSU class search, you're able to see the instructors and a little bit about the meeting dates as far as when the course will start, when will it end, and also the course class number or the CRN number. Now, as far as it goes to doing why we should use iSchool class search rather than the My CSU, which I'll provide you a demonstration of the two different ones and the reasoning why I say to use the iSchool rather than the My CSU. As far as when it comes to actually locating a class and doing a class search. In the actual iSchool class search, they're more descriptive. They also give you more of the information as far as the course unit. You'll be able to see if the course is 1 unit, 2 unit. Also, what's nice about the iClass search is that it provides you more information about if you're going to have mandatory Zoom meetings, what dates, and a time frame. Usually you're able to plan ahead and accordingly. Also, the nice thing about that is in the side note, which I will demonstrate to you in just a little while, we will be able to see the course topic for that specific class. This makes a huge difference for those of you who are wanting to know more of if is this going to be more of a general, like a general overview, or is this more going to be something specific and specialized and focused in a specific area, like youth and children adults books, as an example. So as of right now, I will go ahead and demonstrate to you the difference. We will first be looking at the My CSU option first. As you can see, I was already logged in, so once you log in, you're going to go ahead and go to search. And once it's the search, you're going to go ahead and select by subject. And you're going to go to the I for Info, School of Information. And then here it'll say course number, show. If you know the specific course, then you can type that in. However, I'm just wanting to show you more of a general overview, so I'm just going to go click graduate. What this is going to do is it's actually going to show you all of the courses that are within the iSchool and in the graduate program. So I'm going to click search. And it's going to show you that yes, there's more than 50 classes, so you're just going to push continue. As it loads, sorry for the delay, you will go ahead and see some of this information that I was mentioning. You can see that the green circle means open, the square blue means that it's closed, and then the orange yellowish triangle means that it's waitlisted. So these are the specific courses for this semester, spring of 2018. So like I'm showing you, demonstrating to you, you can see the class CRN number, the class number. Something to pay attention though is right here where it says regular, you will also see some that say special session. So those are some of the things that I would point out and take really good consideration into when doing that. Obviously all of them are going to be TBA because they're all online, and you will be able to see the information of when they start. And then this was something fairly new that I never had seen before, which was the cost material. So that's something interesting. Normally we just view the textbooks and it tells you in the green sheet. So like you can scroll down and you can see the difference. If you're knowing that these are all for Info 200, and obviously there's 183 classes, but there's not very a lot of descriptive information about what it actually is, or more of the electives. Let me see if I can find an elective one. So like this one specifically, Info 237, it doesn't necessarily tell you what the subject is going to be talking about. So if we were to go into, well, I'll bring it up right now, the special session, I'll be able to demonstrate to you how the difference it looks. Alright, so now that we logged into your iSchool, you're going to go to Current Student, and then from Current Student, you're going to, you will be going down to Class Search, and within the Class Search, you will see where it says Spring of 2018 Regular Session, Special Session. So that one specifically, that course, I didn't take part of and really see, but I'm a special student, so you'll be able to see here. This is where I'm talking about. You'll see general notes, and in here, you'll see mandatory Zoom. You'll get that same class number. So this makes it easier when you're actually in the My CSU, because you'll actually have the correct number and you can just type it in as is. So see how over here it tells you it's a 1-unit course, which makes it nice, but this is where I'm talking about, where it's a general 3-topic unit, where this one's specifically for reference collection in the 21st century. It lets you know that it's a 1-unit and it runs from April 2nd through May 4th. And then this one obviously is just 2 units, started January, runs through March. So these are the type of things that I think are very useful, and something that I find that you would be most beneficial for is using this to do your class search, because like I said, it's more descriptive and you have the class number and you just type in this class number into the My CSU and you'll know exactly what classes you're getting with what instructor, and you'll actually kind of know more or less what the actual course will consist of, if it's going to be a general, if it's going to be specific to a specific topic. I hope you enjoy this video. Have a great day.